Welcome back to Decodiva, where timeless charm meets everyday living. Today, we're stepping into a space that often gets overlooked in home design, the laundry room. But in the world of vintage farmhouse interiors, even utility spaces can feel warm, elegant, and beautifully curated. From weathered wood cabinets to antique wash tubs and soft linen curtains, vintage farmhouse laundry rooms prove that practical spaces can still tell a story. These rooms blend function with character, creating comforting corners that make daily chores feel a little more inspiring. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Decodiva for more vintage home inspiration, give this video a like if you enjoy cozy farmhouse aesthetics, and share your favorite design idea in the comments below. Let's explore how laundry rooms can become polished spaces full of charm and personality. In older homes, laundry rooms were often designed with durability and simplicity in mind. Yet over time, those hard-working spaces developed a sense of quiet beauty through aged materials, handcrafted details, and lived-in warmth. Vintage farmhouse design embraces exactly that feeling. Instead of hiding utility spaces behind sterile finishes, farmhouse interiors celebrate texture and authenticity. Distressed wood, vintage tile patterns, and enamel accessories instantly create a softer atmosphere that feels collected rather than manufactured. There's also something comforting about turning an everyday task into a more pleasant ritual. A thoughtfully designed laundry room can feel calming and organized, transforming chores into moments surrounded by warmth and timeless style. One hallmark of vintage farmhouse laundry rooms is the use of soft, muted colors. Creamy whites, faded sage greens, dusty blues, and warm beige tones help create a relaxing environment that feels airy and welcoming. These gentle shades pair beautifully with natural textures like wood shelving, wicker baskets, and linen fabrics. Together, they create an understated elegance that never feels overly decorated or forced. Even a small laundry room can feel brighter and more spacious with a vintage-inspired neutral palette. The subtle layering of tones allows decorative accents and antique details to stand out naturally without overwhelming the room. Storage is essential in any laundry room, but vintage farmhouse spaces turn storage into part of the decor itself. Old wooden cabinets, repurposed hutches, and antique shelving units add both practicality and personality. Open shelves displaying glass jars, folded linen towels, and woven baskets create a curated look that feels effortless and charming. Instead of hiding essentials away, farmhouse design encourages beautiful organization. Vintage hooks, wire bins, and weathered crates also introduce texture and authenticity. These elements make the space feel layered and collected over time, giving even the smallest laundry room a cozy lived-in atmosphere. A deep farmhouse sink instantly becomes a centerpiece in a vintage-inspired laundry room. These oversized sinks are not only practical for soaking fabrics and hand-washing delicate items, but they also bring timeless character into the space. Pairing a farmhouse sink with antique brass faucets or matte black fixtures creates a balance between rustic charm and polished sophistication. Even the hardware choices can shape the entire mood of the room. Vintage-inspired lighting fixtures, such as enamel pendant lamps or industrial sconces, further enhance the nostalgic atmosphere. Soft lighting adds warmth and makes utility spaces feel more inviting and intentional. One reason vintage farmhouse interiors feel so comforting is their use of natural materials. Wooden countertops, beadboard walls, stone floors, and cotton fabrics all contribute to a grounded and welcoming environment. texture plays an important role in making laundry rooms feel polished rather than cold. Layering wicker baskets, textured rugs, and soft curtains creates visual depth while maintaining simplicity and functionality. These natural finishes age beautifully over time, which perfectly suits the farmhouse aesthetic. Small imperfections become part of the charm, adding authenticity and warmth that modern glossy spaces sometimes lack. The most memorable farmhouse laundry rooms often include meaningful vintage touches. Antique signs, framed botanical prints, old clocks, and ceramic pitchers bring personality into spaces that might otherwise feel purely functional. Decorating with heirloom-inspired pieces creates a sense of nostalgia and storytelling. Even simple additions like a lace curtain or an old wooden stool can make the room feel collected and deeply personal. The key is balance. Too many decorative items can overwhelm a utility space, but carefully chosen accents help maintain that polished farmhouse look while still feeling relaxed and approachable. A beautiful laundry room must still work efficiently, and farmhouse design often excels at combining style with practicality. Thoughtful layouts keep essentials accessible while maintaining a clean and uncluttered appearance. Countertops above washers and dryers provide useful folding space, while open shelving allows easy access to laundry supplies. Vintage farmhouse rooms often prioritize comfort and usability just as much as aesthetics. Even small design details, like labeled jars or neatly hung drying racks, contribute to a polished environment. These practical features help create spaces that feel calm, organized, and visually cohesive. Laundry rooms may be workspaces, but vintage farmhouse design encourages us to see them as comforting extensions of the home. Adding soft textiles, fresh greenery, and warm lighting can completely change the atmosphere. A simple vase of dried lavender, a woven runner rug, or the scent of fresh linen can transform routine chores into peaceful moments. These details may seem small, but they create a sense of care and comfort within the space. When utility rooms are designed thoughtfully, they no longer feel hidden or neglected. Instead, they become charming retreats that reflect the same warmth and beauty found throughout the rest of the home. Vintage farmhouse laundry rooms remind us that every corner of a home deserves attention and beauty, even the most practical spaces. Through natural textures, antique accents, and timeless details, these rooms become polished yet welcoming places filled with warmth and character. Whether you're planning a full renovation or simply adding a few vintage-inspired touches, creating a cozy and elegant laundry room is all about embracing authenticity and comfort. Small details can make everyday routines feel far more enjoyable. Thank you so much for spending time with us here at Decodiva. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more vintage home decor inspiration, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your dream farmhouse laundry room style. We'll see you again soon for more timeless design inspiration.